Lesson1-4 distributive property. You simplify this expression using the distributive property. Simplify if possible. Right, so to do the distributive property, all you need to do is to multiply in 2 multiplied by x and then 2 multiplied by 4. In this case, you have 2x and then plus by 8. Let me repeat. 2 times x, 2 times 4, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 4, you have 8. Same with this. 3 times 5, you got 15. 3 times n, which plus in the middle, 3 times n, which is 3n. This part you do the same. Minus 5 times 2, you got minus 10. Minus times minus, which is plus. 5 times 3, which is 15. 15n squared. This one, 8 times x squared times minus 9x times by 5. So 8 times x squared, which is 8x squared. 8 times minus 9, which is minus 72x, and then plus x times 5, which is 40. Plus 40. 40, and then this, you simplify it. So 13 r plus 5 r, this is like terms, so therefore 13 plus 5, you got 18 is r. This is 3x to the third minus 2x squared. You cannot simplify this together, so all you need to do, if not possible, write simplify. So this is already in simplest form, so write simplify. Simplify. This one. You work on, you have 5z squared and 8z squared. This is like term, you can combine them together, the z squared with the z squared. So 5 plus 8, which is 13, this is z squared, and then plus 3z. Is multiply inside. 7 times 2, you got minus, sorry, not minus. 7 times 2, you got 14, and then minus 28m. And then this multiply inside as well. 11 times 40, you got 44d. 11 plus times 6, you got 66. And then if you work on further to number 10, you got the 7m, 2m, 4m. So this is like term. The p, leave it for the moment. Let's work on the m first. 7m plus 2m, you got 9m. 9m plus 4, you got 13. So 13m plus 3p. You cannot combine these two together. They are unlike terms. For this number 5 or number 11, let's work on this part first, so which means that you have 5g plus, so 4 times fg, you got 4fg, plus in the middle 4 times 5g, you got 20g. So when you got like this, you need to do is you have to combine the g and g together. So you have 5g, 20g together, you got 25g, and then you plus 4f g. As simple as that. Okay, for number 12, you have to multiply in first, distribute it first, and simplify later. 2 times by 2 times 5x, you got 10x, and then plus in the middle because the plus right here. 2 times 6, you got 12, and then plus 7x. So x and x can be combined. 10x plus 7x, you got 17x, and then you got 12 right here by itself, so plus 12. Number 13, you got the k, 5k and 7k, and you got the 3k to the third and the 9k to the third. Let me work on the biggest exponent first. K to the third. So you got 3 and you got 9. So 3 plus 9, you got 12. K to the third, and then you plus again because This is all plus. You got 5k plus 7k, you got 10k. Oh no, sorry, 5 plus 7, you got 12, so you got 12k. And then number 14. For number 14, you multiply in, you got 36. You will have 36 over 3 minus 36 times 2 gives a 72b. So let me simplify 36 times 3 first. 36 divided 3, sorry, not times, you got 12. So you got 12 minus 72b. Yep. 12 minus 72b. Last number, you can either make this one into 6a or 6a over 6, or you can work on this part first. So I will work on this section first. I have a 1a plus 5a. I got 6a over 6 for this 2 alone. So I have 1a plus 5a, I've got 6a over 6. So 6a over 6 I've got equal to a. So this part equal to a plus a, I've got 2a. 1. Write expression for each algebraic expression, then simplify the expression. Write and solve and simplify it. 4 times the sum, you have 4 times the sum of 2x and 6. 4 times the sum of 2x and 6. So this for one of the answer. Now let's simplify this. Let me check if I'm correct. 4 times the sum of 2 times x and 6. So once you get this, let's simplify. So you have 4 times 2x, you got 8x plus 4 times 6, you got 24. Okay, one for the expression, one for the simplify of that expression. For number 17, you got 1/2 of 4 times y. Okay, 4 times y plus the quantity of y. Okay, plus the quantity of y and 3. Alright, that's one of the answer. Let's simplify this together. So when I work on this, you will have a 4y, you have 4y over 2, or in other words, you got 2y. So this part 2y plus y plus 3. So you got 3y plus 3. Okay. Number 18, let me write down number 18. For number 18, let me read the instruction. The product of 5 and m squared, okay, and m squared, 5 and m squared of the product increase plus by the sum of square m and 5. So one of the answer is 5m squared plus parenthesis m squared plus 5. That's one of the answer. After that, second instruction, then simplify the expression. Let's simplify this. Well, 5m squared plus m squared, you got 6m squared and then plus 5. Number 19, 7 times the sum of square and b square, sorry, it's actually not square and b. Sum the square times 7 times the sum of square and b of sorry, I make a mistake. 7 times the sum of a square. That's why I feel something missing. I forgot to read a here. 7 times the sum of a square. Alright, so you have 7 times the sum of a square and b. Now I find a mistake a while ago. I got lost because I forgot this. I overlooked a here. And b minus 4 times the sum of a square and b. Alright, so you have 7a squared plus b minus 4 times a squared minus b. Alright, the same idea. You can work on this. 7 minus 4 equal to 3, and then a squared minus b, or you can just multiply in. This one of the answer. Let me do the multiply inside. So you have 7 times a, you have 7a squared plus 7b minus 4 times a squared minus 4b. Minus 4b. Let's work on this one. 7 minus 7a squared minus 4a squared, you have 3a squared, and after that you got 7b minus 4b, you got plus 3b. Okay? First answer, second answer for both of the instruction. Write this expression, simplify the expression. Number 20. Number 20, find perimeter of isosceles triangle with the side length 5 plus x plus 5 plus x and xy. Write in simplest form. Okay. Now the perimeter of a circle perimeter of triangle, all you need to do is just plus the side length of the three sides of a triangle together. So this all the three side length to get the perimeter, which means the distance around it, distance around the figure. So you have 5 plus x plus 5 plus x and plus xy. Or in other words, the measure of this side plus the measure of this side and plus the measure of this side. So when you plus this together, so 5 plus let me write first so that you will not get lost. You got 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 5 plus x and plus xy. So combine this together, you have 5, you have 10, x plus x, you have 2x, and then plus xy. Right? You can write. So when you write it down, you can write in either order. I mean, in what the best order I can write from here. Choose the best order. Let me write xy. Yeah, let me write 2x first. So I write 2x plus xy and then plus 10. Okay, you can mix around. You can put like this. But I'm trying to find the best way to write in the algebraic form. Now for hexagon. Hexagon have 6 sides. Sorry. So one of the side length is this long. This is the measure of each side length. Again, find the perimeter. So all you need to do, you just times this by 6. Because perimeter of a figure, all you need to do is just plus all of those, the measure of all of those sides together. This you plus 6 times. Since it is a regular hexagon, all the 6 sides are congruent or equal. So you need to do just multiply this by 6. So 6, 3 plus x. Simplify this. 6 times 3, you got 18x, and 6 times 6, you got 36.